Ever wondered what could happen if you stifle that imminent sneeze? Well, brace yourself for a surprising revelation. Holding in a sneeze can actually cause bodily harm. Yes, that's right. When you sneeze, air rushes out of your body at an impressive speed of up to 100 miles per hour. Now imagine all that pressure being forced back into your body. It's like a pressure cooker. The consequences could range from minor issues like a ruptured eardrum or damaged blood vessels, to more severe ones like a throat injury. So next time you feel a sneeze brewing, let it out. Just remember, always into a tissue or your elbow, keeping those around you safe. Sneezing. It's not just polite, it's healthy too.